In this video, I will explain about how I create my chartboard and how I link my chartboard to the database. In this, we are using Google database called Firebase database. I will show you that this is the Firebase database. I will using this project phone. This project phone is uh, my project name. By using these project phone, we are creating a database, and we connecting to the database five. We are connecting to the five store database. This is our five store database. In this five store database, the five store database is an NoSQL database. It shows here as much as you want. So by using these and by using telegram bot for the I create an chart telegram chart bot, and it stores the information and retrieves the information whenever I want. Let me show my code. This is our code. In this we have the first line describes about the telecom bot package. So the package means when we are running the node.js code, the packages are installed on our computer. So first of all, we are install the telecom bot API and the request API and the Firebase admin API. After installing all these APIs, we are running the code by using these line. After adding this line, the bot is activated, and it is ready to send and I receive the messages. This line contains information about our Google five-star database. By using these line, we are connecting our five-star database to this code. This is the five-star database. In this, it contains information about basic our personal information. This line is used for activating the database. This is for accessing. This line is called for accessing the database. After accessing the database, we are writing in one function. This function takes an parameter message, and message dot just indicates the input of the user. Whenever we type an input in the telegram chartboard, when I show you. uh, this is our telegram chartboard. I send a number, and it gives the detailed information about the number. This is my friend's number, and this number is in Airtel, and its country code is in the IN. This number is located in India, and the type is mobile. This basic information about the mobile number is given by using this code. And I add an functionality of database to this code by using these lines of code. In these lines of code, I added user ID, where user ID means when in Telegram, every user has own unique user ID. So by basing on that, I create and add that. So in the database, I add the phone number, whichever I entered, and the location, and the type, and the carrier means phone number signal, like Airtel, Jio, etc. After I using that, after whenever I retrieve the data, I use a word called history. When I type history, it gives the history of my it gives the history of my chartboard. These lines of the code gets the fetches the data from the Google File Store, and gives the data to me. And let me show you. Whenever I delete history, whenever we don't want the history, we can delete the history by using the command delete history. After using the delete history, it deletes the history from our Google File Store database. This is the vowel explanation of our code. Let me show you in the theoretical way. After writing the code, we run the code in the terminal. This is the code. After Wait a second. This is our Telegram chatbot. Let me try on one number. This is my friend's number. It gives number like the number is located in Hubli, Karnataka, and the service provider is Idea. Let me show you another example. This is another number. It describes it gives the service provider is Idea, and the country code is IN. Whenever I type the command history, it gives the history. It gives the history of my telegram bot. See, these are the numbers which I entered before. These three numbers I entered before, and these three numbers are displayed. Whenever I don't want these numbers, I simply write the command delete history. it gives a message of the history is deleted successfully. History is deleted successfully. Whenever I delete the history, it automatically arises from these locations. Whenever I add another number, like it adds the these details in the Firebase, like show you. I am showing you. Wait. These details I added. Whenever I type history, it gives the details by fetching the data from these 5 store database. Whenever i ca- whenever whenever I type delete history, history is deleted successfully and the number is automatically deleted. This number is not present in this database. By using these telegram bot father and the Firebase data and the Firebase and the 5 store database, cloud 5 store database provided by Google, I developed a chatbot called sim info checker. In the sim info checker, we try to check all the our numbers and get the basic information about our numbers, and we are storing that numbers in our database, and we when we return the numbers when we want. Thank you.